Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Been approximately 90 days since I planted some red Norland potatoes in the bed with the corn, and I believe they're ready. So we're going to go ahead and see what we got. And you're coming along with me. Let's go. So this is the bed that has the red Norland, the dark red Norland potatoes, as well as the corn that I planted back in late January. And what I'm going to do first is to cut the remaining plant out. Initially, these plants were looking fantastic, and then we ran into a problem with um, slugs. And then I started reading and all, and they appeared to me to be dying back. So that let me know that they were spent. And the other day, I was running my hand along inside the bed, and I felt potatoes. So we're going to go ahead and see what we have, and hopefully it'll be something good. I have my shears, and we're just going to cut through. And be careful not to snip the corn. The corn is on the outer perimeter or edge of the bed, and the potatoes are in the middle. As I said before in a previous video, when it comes to doing this particular experiment again, if I do it again, I will put everything in a larger bed to do it. This bed is too narrow. Good bed, but it's too narrow and makes it difficult. So we're going to put our gloves on and commence to digging. Okay. I see potatoes. I see potatoes. That's a nice one. That's one. Two. Three. Four. Five. Believe it or not, family, this is my first true potato harvest. And I am ecstatic. This is just from two. Well, actually, that's a baby one, but we'll keep it. This harvest is from 1 pound of potatoes seed that I got from a place called Wood Prairie. And I'll put a link for them up on the screen. Have nice earthworms. And for as deep as I planted these potatoes, they are actually not very deep in the ground. Okay, let's get some more. As I said before, I had just a pound of seed potato, and I guarantee you I have tripled, probably more than that, my harvest. Even the little roots that I have all these little potatoes that didn't develop or haven't developed. Let's put it that way. I would have had a lot more potatoes. That's awesome. Uh, the old infamous grub. Everybody has these things. Wow, big one. I have to get my scale to see what my total harvest is by weight. Okay, I think that's about it. Let's do one more sweep and see what we have back here. Okay, that's it. And hopefully you can see, but we have a lot of potatoes. Let's go weigh them. Okay, this is not scientific. Hopefully you can see this. I have my bathroom scale, and it is currently zeroed out to nothing, no pounds, no weight. And let's see how heavy this is. So I'm seeing, put the handle down, 10.95. So almost 11 pounds of potatoes. And keep in mind, I said that I only had a pound of potatoes. So that is 100, over 100, almost 100% return. Well, not so much return, 100% more by volume what I had than what I had when I started. I am completely satisfied and happy with this harvest. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in a cool, dark place and let them cure. And then we will have potatoes throughout the summer, hopefully. Remember, I have some more potatoes that I started from store-bought potatoes in another bed, and hopefully sometime this summer we'll be able to pull them up and have a decent harvest as well. So I definitely am happy with the harvest, and as I said before, it is my first successful potato harvest. And what else can I say other than I am ecstatic? I want to thank you for coming along with me on this. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I shall respond. While I was off camera, we went ahead and harvested some zucchini as well. So we have had a very successful morning in the garden. Again, thank you. Thank you for coming along with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food for myself and your family. And yes, I can now grow potatoes, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. I'll see you in the next one.